Good morning everyone and welcome to Rhythm English. I am Pradosh Sharma with you and you're watching News Flash. The Allahabad High Court has paused the civil court proceedings over the Jama Masjid dispute in Sambhal, Uttar Pradesh. The mosque's management challenged the maintainability of the case, citing rushed surveys ordered by the district court. 6 devotees died and several others were injured in a stampede at Tirupati's Lord Venkateshwara Swami temple during a rush for the Vaikuntha Dwar Darshan tickets. Andhra Pradesh CM expressed condolences and assured aid for the injured. India extended former Bangladesh PM Sheikh Hasina's visa as Bangladesh revoked her passport, accusing her of crimes against humanity. Hasina, in India since August 2024, faces arrest warrants from Bangladesh International Crimes Tribunal. Defense ministers of India and Maldives met in New Delhi to enhance defense ties and maritime security. This follows strained relations after India withdrew its military from Maldives on President Muizu's demand. A shivling at the Bileshwar Mahadev temple in UP's Unnao district was vandalized. Police arrested a mentally distressed man, while Hindu groups condemned the act as a deeply hurtful incident. Indian Foreign Secretary met Taliban Defense Minister in Dubai discussing humanitarian aid, regional security and trade through Chahabad port. India reiterated its commitment to Afghan development and refugee rehabilitation. Bangladesh interim government dismissed rumors of growing military ties with Pakistan, affirming its focus on reviving SAARC and maintaining good relations with all member nations. Greenland's PM met Denmark's king after Trump suggested acquiring the island for the US. Denmark reiterated Greenland's right to independence but dismissed notions of it becoming a US state. Ontario Premier Doug Ford countered Trump's suggestion to annex Canada, humorously proposing to buy US states instead. He stressed protecting Canada's sovereignty amid trade threats. The WHO clarified that China's rise in respiratory infection, including the HMPV, follows seasonal trends. Hospital usage is below last year's levels and no emergency measures are required. Lawmakers debated on the One Nation One Election bill in a joint parliamentary committee. They agreed on the need for wider discussions, with the Law Ministry providing a detailed history of the legislation. ISRO postponed the docking of the SpaceX satellites due to unexpected drift during the maneuvers. The Bengaluru-based space agency assured the satellite safety and promised updates. NDP leader Jagmeet Singh pledged to impose counter tariffs against Trump's threats to merge Canada into the US, calling his remarks unpresidential and vowing to protect Canadian jobs. Denmark's foreign minister reiterated Greenland's autonomy ambitions, rejecting Trump's remarks about annexation. Greenland's PM is aiming to eventual independence, not US statehood. Mexico's president mocked Trump's idea to rename the Gulf of Mexico as the Gulf of America, suggesting the US be renamed Mexican America. The remarks followed Trump's controversial renaming plans. So that's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.